Hey everybody, I've been actually working on my garage diorama and figured I'd share a little bit with you. As you can see, here's the shelves and the table that I've been working on, and also the cart. It's looking pretty good. I also did an outer wall, which I have to move, which is this wall right here. That's actually glued in place, and I am going to attempt to make a rolled up door to put on that as well. And as you can tell, the walls are not the same color. I actually cannot find the color that I painted the other walls, but that is fine, because this right here, which is part of the kit, is the clear, because this part was supposed to be clear and then you have a clear piece here. Well, I want to paint that the wall color, so I'm going to mask everything off and paint all the walls, mask off the window and the door, and paint everything the same color, and that way this will be the same color. And I gotta find the sheet of clear that would actually go there, so that way that piece will come off, and then I'd still have the roof on it, so that way it's still kind of enclosed. I might have to try to figure out something to do for the doorway, but I can make it so this is removable and it's not so flimsy as what it would have been where it was before, so it's a lot stronger. I might put a clear piece into that doorway, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll make the door so it's actually closed and it's clear. I just remove the top and the front piece to mess with it. But I did some weathering, I did some work. Figured I'd share it with you guys. But one thing is everything on this shelf is glued on. And same with this cart. This cart's still not done. Let me get the three pieces that I want to show you guys, and then set this aside. So here's the shelf. And I still have some room for additional pieces that I'm going to do. Let's work our way from the bottom to the top. So on the bottom, I detailed a air filter, some gas cans, and a box of Mobile One. I have some oil dripping from, oh jeez, Pete, I'll leave that in there. That's just, but I got some oil dripping down, and then it dripped down on the box, and then you got some spill on here. These little guys are just complete slobs. But on here you got some cans, got some oil on it. A little bit of oil on the Valvoline jug. It's coming out. Got some on the box of Valvoline. I mean, jeez, Pete. On this next shelf, I left room because I have, let's see if I can find it. I have little cans of spray paint that I made. And if you look close, you can see the line for the cap. You can see the line for the cap, and then I also made some labels. So I'll put some cans of spray paint on there. I also made some motor oil jugs. little cap. I got some labels that I printed out for those. So those will go on there. Then I made some more jugs. So I have all that stuff there. And I'm going to make some more stuff. So that's why I left some room there. Get out of there. So until these are all painted, they ain't going to be on there. I dropped one on the floor and probably not going to be able to find that. Alright, and as I move up, I have some more boxes. Some junk, odd stuff. Got some Gateway box, a Dell box, US mail box, some 58 carb parts. Then I made an airline or air hose. Got it all wound up. Dirty as can be. So there's that. And here's the table. So I do have the box of Valvoline like the other one, and a couple more boxes I made. I have one of them outlet boxes that reels back up. Then on the top, oh, I didn't even glue this one down. I guess I better glue that once I'm done with this. So on the top, got a crescent wrench, got a rag. This is a piece of paper towel with red ink and liquid Mod Podge, so it's about that runny. Fold it and wrinkle it up into shape. So I got it so it's folded on the edge. And then I do my black wash and put in there while it's somewhat drying. So, and then I got an oil ring. The guy left an oil mess. I put the wash on this ring here and then kind of set it down, and it gave that nice cool shape. And then I got a little bit coming out of here, so I put some wash in here, make it look fresh, oily. I got some bottles tipped over and spilled out. Got another tool, got a vise. This is just like that, except for I put some of the realistic water in there. Woodland Scenics realistic water. A couple drips in there. I also made a couple drips come over the edge, so it looks like it's overflowing. Got on there. But I glued all this stuff down with tacky glue. So if I wanted to get this off, if I wanted to redo it for any reason, I can just pretty much give it a little bit of pressure and it should pop right off, since it is that tacky glue. But I hope I don't have anything to take apart. Now I'm still working on this, but this is one of the carbs I did with the resin, and these are the tools that came with it, so I just figured I'd just throw them on here. The guy's a slob. Put some of that liquid watered down Mod Podge on it. Here's another one of them rags. The bottom here, I'm gonna put a box And then I got these heads that came in one of the kits. It's still got the, you can see the valves and all that, so I'm gonna tacky glue them down. So I'll have them sitting something like that. And then maybe I'll put a box or some shit. Maybe some of these maybe some oiled things like that. Have some of them painted up and put on there. Maybe at the bottom, spilled over. I still have a couple more tools. So it's coming to life pretty well. Having a lot of fun. I have a lot more tools and stuff to put in and some more details. When I first started with the tools, the scene, I was afraid to glue everything together, but now that I came to the point where I'm at now, it's just looking so much better, gluing everything together, giving everything a lot of life. So, but yeah. Well, hope you guys liked it. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.